What does it do, Curl Nation? If you are an OG, welcome back. And if you are new, welcome. Check out my website, savannahcurls.com, for quality organic, scalp to strand, head to toe products handmade with love. If this content hits like grit, smash that notification bell and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on this amazing content. Now let's get into it. In today's tutorial, we are going to go over how I was able to achieve rocking the same wash and go for 14 days straight. This wash and go technique was put to the full test because during this time I was up and down, in and out. I was at the Patti LaBelle concert with my friend Sabrina Brown. I was going to dinner with my friends. The humidity was at an all-time high. There was rain. There was everything, just everything that was going on. And I was still able to maintain my volume, the bounce, the definition, the shine, the shape, all of that, even without using any edge control. For the last 14 days, I only used the Savannah Curls hair oil, scrunchies, and silk bonnets. Starting off in small sections, I take the Savannah Curls silk scrunchies and first band my roots down as I sleep at night. It's going to help keep my roots stretched so I don't have to fluff or stress my curl too much in the morning. After banding my roots, I go on to band the ends of my hair to actually protect it from unnecessary movement and to also keep it elongated so that it can rest in a more stretched state. I chose to use silk scrunchies because it's not going to rip my hair out like a regular scrunchie will. Silk scrunchies have near zero surface friction. So if I am in a hurry and I'm not being mindful and I snatch my scrunchies out, there is no damage that's going to be caused because of that. It is perfect for my routine and it is perfect for this technique. Pro tip: whenever you are banding your hair, please do not make the scrunchie too tight, otherwise it's going to misshapen your wash and go. You only need to wrap the scrunchie around twice to give it a nice amount of tension without misshaping your hair. I am so glad to share this technique with you all because I've been using this technique for a little bit now. I haven't seen anything exactly like this, but I was inspired by the African threading method. It's just that I didn't obviously I don't make it too tight because I don't want to actually like misshapen the hair, but I was able to achieve completing this technique by actually having a larger bonnet to fit all the hair into. I noticed that if the bonnet is too tight, it's going to compress the hair down too much. Your edges are going to get exposed or whatever the case may be, or one side will be tighter than the other, and it's just a mess. Making a practical investment into quality hair care items, techniques, and tools is truly going to lead to you having the best version of your hair. I know that my experience and my journey with my hair has really improved year after year because of the quality items that I use to manage, preserve, and take care of my hair. Introducing the silk collection to Savannah Curls was very important to me because not only did I want to have toxic free items, to actually offer to my customers, but I knew with the research that I did that silk truly was the best textile for your hair. And I haven't turned back from it. I don't rest in anything other than my silk bonnet. I don't know how I was doing it before, but I really like it. I really like it. I made sure that this silk was of quality and that it was functional and that it would be used properly and have versatility behind it and actually be able to hold so much hair. Savannah silk bonnets are made out of 100% mulberry silk and finished with the Savannah Curls logo embroidery. It's designed to hold bulk hair such as afros and hair that's placed inside of roller sets. There's also extra strip of silk to lay down edges and to make sure that they are protected as you sleep. Click a link and save a life if any part of this tutorial resonates with you. Please leave me a comment down in the comment section below and let me know how you preserve your hair and if you can see yourself using this technique. In the morning, I'm going to remove my bonnet and remove the scrunchies from each section, and then I will apply the hair oil. What I love about the Savannah Curls hair oil is that it is truly going to allow you to fluff and go. It's not that kind of oil that's going to stick to itself or make the hair stick to itself. It's just going to go on, it's going to slide in, it's going to penetrate, but it's going to leave enough protection on the outside so that your hair does not feel dry, that it is coated, that your hair is protected from free elements, and that it gives a near silicone-like application without the stickiness associated with it. It allows me to fluff my hair, separate within seconds, and I'm about my way in day. Curl Nation, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please use today's tutorial moving forward for preserving your wash and go. Thank you for your support. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again next time.